So today I'm doing the last and final look of my Christmas look series. Hoping and wishing that you all are going to like and enjoy this look too. So without any further ado, let's start rolling.
Starting off with the setting of the eyeshadow base using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, putting it over the eyelid and blending it in. Setting the concealer with the Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder. From the Nicka K eyeshadow palette, I am picking the orange shade and applying it as a transition shade, which will help in blending the other eyeshadows together, giving more depth to the color. Now placing the green shade in the crease line and slowly taking it till the outer corner and diffusing it with the orange shade. From the same palette, I am now taking the shimmer green shade and applying it on the eyes, adding more of the color on the eyes and extending it till the outer corner. Blending all the colors with the transition shade. In the lower lash line, applying the same green shimmer shade. For the liner, I am using the M.A.C Liquid Point Black Liner and drawing a line over the upper lash line. Superb liner, very long wearing too. Quickly finishing the other eye as well. To define my brows, I am using the Loreal Brow Pomade, filling in the brows with this highly pigmented matte pomade. Now this pomade glides on smoothly and is very long wearing too. Now cleaning my eyebrows with a concealer and blending the concealer. Wearing the Europe Girl lash extensions. I am using the M.A.C Strobe cream, which comes in an airport friendly size, to soothe my skin and boost the look of my face. Applying the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. I like the Wet n Wild brand as it's a cruelty free brand. This foundation even gives your skin a no filter perfection and doesn't even give you any flashback. Slowly blending the foundation. To conceal my under eyes and pigmented areas, I am using the NYD Liquid Concealer. Now this is a very inexpensive concealer and I have been using it from a long time. Works well on my skin. Blending it with a small beauty blender. To highlight my under eyes and the highest points, I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. And slowly blending it in. Bronzing my face with the Sugar Contour D4 palette. It's a super lightweight palette and easily blendable and adds an instant bronze glow to your skin. It's a cool tone brown bronzer. Bronzing my nose. Applying the NYX Ombre blush for a radiant natural glow. For highlighting, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, a highly pigmented highlighting powder. gives a radiant glow to your skin. Applying it on my brow bones. Moisturizing my lips with the Biotic Almond Lip Balm. Applying the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade All Fired Up. A full coverage lipstick and a pretty shade too. Giving a finishing touch to my face with the Faces Canada Makeup Fixing Spray. Pairing my look with these beautiful green earrings. And accessorizing my hair with a silver hair clip. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Do give this video a thumbs up. May the special occasion of Christmas become merrier for you all with good health and lots of smiles. Merry Christmas everyone!